Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer references in plain text to reference managers like Zotero and Mendeley. This might be useful for researchers who might have some references directly typed inside a Word file or a text file, or who wish to bring an entire bibliography at the end of a paper that they are reading into reference managers like Zotero or Mendeley, or for that matter, any other reference manager that they are using. So let's start. So as you can see, I have some references inside a Word file. These are references that are directly typed in. These references could as well be inside a text file. Now my objective is to bring these references inside a reference manager like Zotero or Mendeley. So to do this, there is a wonderful site called as anystyle.io. So you can just go to anystyle.io, and on this site, you can paste all these references inside this particular box. So I'm going to go to my Word file. I will copy all these references. These are in text, mind you. And I'm going to come here and paste these references. So the moment I paste these references inside this particular box, it's telling me that these are 8 references. And you can just click on parse these 8 references button, and it'll come back and show you how it has captured various fields for every reference. In this particular case, you can see that the author has been correctly identified, titles again been correctly identified, the name of the journal, volume, pages, etc. So you can just eyeball each one of these, and this is the second page. In the event that you feel that something has not been correctly identified, for example, this particular thing needs to go somewhere else, you can just click on this particular field and then come here and click on assign label, and then choose a different field to put that in. So as you can see here, that word is now inside a different field called as URL. Obviously, this is wrong. So I can just come here, assign label, and send this back to edition. It's gone back. So you can make corrections right here. And as you can see, I have references of different kinds. There is a book which has been very nicely identified. The title has been correctly identified, edition, publisher, all things are in their proper place. I have a YouTube video which has been correctly identified. I have a podcast which has been correctly identified. So it does a very, very good job. And you can make further corrections once you have transferred everything inside your reference manager. So once you are happy, just come down and save it as a bibtext file. So this file will be saved as a bibtext file on your computer. Now all you need to do is to just open your reference manager. And in this case, I will first show you how you can do this inside Zotero. And then come to File and click on Import. And we are trying to read a bibtext file. So this is the default. This needs to be checked on. Just click on Next. And then choose this downloaded file on your computer and press Open and Next. So as you can see, all these references have now been brought inside Zotero. And if you want to make any corrections, you can just come here and double click on this field and type that correction. If you want to add something, you can do it right here inside Zotero. So all these references have now been imported inside Zotero, and you will see that they have been imported to a collection called as Anystyle. So you can right click and rename this collection. For example, I'm going to call this collection as climate change, and there you have it. So you have imported plain text using anystyle.io inside Zotero. So you can do the same inside Mendeley. So I am inside Mendeley Reference Manager, and I can click on Add New and then click on Import Library and choose bibtext. So I'm going to click here and then click on this file and open. So you will see that all these references are now part of the all references collection. And you can clearly make out that these are the references that I have just added, because they are just showing the time, and these are my older references. So what I can do is I can create a new collection. I'm going to call this climate change and enter. And I have selected all the references that I have just imported based on the time of import. And I will just click on this organize button and add to collection, climate change, add, and there you go. So you have all these references inside a collection inside Mendeley. So this is how you can import references that have been typed as plain text inside a word processor like Microsoft Word, or for that matter, a text file into reference managers like Zotero or Mendeley. I hope this video was useful, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching.